Hey guys, welcome back to Just Aboard again. So today I'm going to show you how to change out your toilet seat. Now there are some differences depending on the toilet seat you have and or buy. So in my case, I'm just going to show you what I have. It's pretty standard, pretty easy to change out. So let me start with the basics. So in mine, you just have these caps or lids that you pull up, and then you got to just unscrew it. There's a little nut underneath that's made out of plastic. In my case, it looks like this. They go in like that. You just hold it from one side and unscrew the screw. You'll be able to pop it out. So let me show you. I already did one. To make it look quicker on the video, I'm going to show you on this one. So in my case, I actually am using my impact here to make it quick instead of doing it manually. So just reverse it out. This comes off. Like I say, I already removed the other side, and there's that. So super gross, gotta clean that, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is a new toilet seat I'm gonna put on. The instructions are there, that's all I came with. The nuts, the bolt, I guess we'll call it. And here's the hinges, it's a slow close made out of wood. It's a little nicer than the other ones I bought. Because the other one's a flimsy plastic that I bought just in emergency. So let's go ahead and install this. All right, so go ahead and lay this down. And instructions say first thing is open hinge caps. So open. Now stick the bolts in. Now you gotta push these down because they're a slow close, or if not, they're gonna stick up. Okay, next bolt in. All right. Now it's saying that you want to line up. Let me move this up here so you can see a little better. It says that you want to line this up flush with the front of your seat. These are adjustable as necessary. So align it as best as possible all around so you get a flush feel for it. Just kind of take a good look, you can tell. So after you feel like it's lined up on the front, you gotta now put these guys in. The hard part is just make sure as you're screwing these on, you don't shift the toilet seat around. So let's give this a shot. I'll probably do this in fast forward, so let me move you back out of the way. There you go. Okay, there's one. I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one, and I don't think you wanna watch me do that, so I'll be right back. All right, so I got them in. Here's a little trick on this one that the instructions tell you. And I'll show you so you know I'm not lying. Hopefully you can see that. But you're gonna tighten it with either a wrench. I'm gonna go ahead and use a socket. This takes a 13 for this model. And I forgot, I'm gonna show you the model up here on the screen here shortly. It'll just flash up and I'll leave it for a few seconds. But you're gonna tighten it down with a wrench or a socket till you snap the head off. So it literally tells you to snap the head off there. When you're done tightening, you just close the little lids there and you're done. So let's go ahead and snap the heads off. There it is, snap the head off. Now you're wondering why it's not spinning. It's because if I showed you earlier, the nut that's below, it has a little wing that catches on the bottom of the toilet. So you can turn these without a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap the next one off, and I'll fast forward through this. All right, so both are snapped off and you're ready to go. Just close them and you're set. Now, for whatever reason you need to do some work on it, you do have a Phillips type screw head still there available, or you still have a nut type that you can put your socket on to remove it if for whatever reason you need to work on it. So you can use either or to take it off and remove it for any sort of service, change out the lid again, cleaning, whatever you want. But that's it. You're all set and you're ready to go. So we'll catch you next time. You're Just Aboard again. Make another video. Later, guys.